Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to remove age restriction in YouTube. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your YouTube mobile application. In right upper corner of your YouTube homepage, you will see your profile icon in a circle. Tap on it. After that, you'll be redirected to a page something like this, and in the third sector, you can see settings. Tap on settings. After tapping, you'll be redirected to the settings page. In settings page, you'll have to tap on general, which is on the second option. Now in the general page, you'll have to search for restricted mode. After you find it, you'll have to see the toggle button besides it. If the toggle button is on, that means your restricted mode is on. You'll have to toggle off this option. After restricted mode is toggled off, no video will be hidden from your YouTube. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.